tutorial teaches you how to get a good lyric preview on slides in ProPresenter. It's kind of a problem we've been trying to solve for a long time. Rather than describing it, I'll just jump right in. So right here in my library, I have this song called The Heart of Worship. And the problem is that we have a nice light background with this ocean and a lens flare here, which requires us to put dark words in front of it so that they show up like black words, okay? But the problem is that when you put black words into a song on a light background, the rest of these slides here, you can't see the word previews. So you're not necessarily sure what the words are on the slide that's coming next. It's all dark. And in the past, we've tried to fix this by adding a white outline or a white shadow around the words, and that kind of shows up here. And that's one of the ways to address this. But I finally figured out the way to really address this once and for all. So the key thing to do when you have a light background with dark words or black words like this is to click the little I button for information. That brings up detailed information about this song in our library. And now the critical part is right here. You'll notice that here the background is unchecked, but its default is set to black. That's why we get these black previews on the slides here. So what you're going to want to do is change that black to white, because we want the words to show up, and now just check that to apply that. And now you'll notice that the previews of the slides to come in the song, you'll notice that the black text shows up against that white background, and you can just hide that if you want, and that will be pre-saved. So now if I go to a totally different song in my library like The Stand, I can come back to Heart of Worship, and that white background on the preview slides will be selected. So really, the key is up here in the information button that you click, and then over here in the background section. That's how you fix that blacked out problem that we've been dealing with for a long time.